This is a very important herb of Ayurveda called Aristolochia indica. And now flowers are not there, so I can't show you. It has very interesting flowers that look like a kind of a pitcher plant type of flower, pitcher type of flower, tiny little ones. And it's a very long lived shrub. That is, the main root of that plant is under the ground. So it is called Ishwari Balli in Kannada, Ishwari Mool in Hindi. And these leaves are aromatic. When you crush them and smell, it has a kind of a herby type of smell, powerful smell. And it is used for snake poison and all these roots and all. Many uses are there. Then also it contains some very powerful chemicals. This is Aristolochia indica. And it is the host for some specific types of butterflies. Now, you must be aware that these each variety of butterfly, it has to, when it is in the caterpillar stage, in the larval stage, they need one particular species or two species to eat. So every butterfly just can't lay its eggs wherever it pleases and then survive. They have to find the specific host which can feed the larva, we feed its larva and lay the eggs on those plants, and then those eggs hatch and they eat that particular leaf and grow and become a butterfly. So when these rare species vanish, that butterfly also gets into serious trouble because they are not able to get food, that they are not able to multiply. Now this Aristolochia, because it has some toxic chemicals in it, those butterflies that eat this leaf, they tend to have a bright color because they contain those toxic substances, and further they can metabolize it and use it as their natural defense. So this Aristolochia indica is a host for some common rows, or some 2-3 varieties are there of butterflies, which I'll write in the link below. You can have a look. So this Aristolochia, important long-lived plant. It probably lives 40-50 years and all if it is left to itself. Only thing is, when plowing happens, that roots get disturbed and it vanishes. So in uncultivated areas, you can find this Aristolochia, and also it's not very big vigorous grower and all. It's very inconspicuous and it just hides in the background. So that's a bit about this Aristolochia indica.